Bandhavgarh, the land of tigers. We have dreamt of this moment for so long, and finally, we are here. Early morning, cold breeze, and that feeling of excitement because every turn in this jungle could lead to a tiger sighting. As we entered the jungle, everything felt alive. The sounds, the silence, the mystery. A jungle doesn't show you the wildlife, it makes you feel it. And then we started seeing signs, fresh pug marks on the trail, alarm call echoing from the forest. We waited, we searched, every rustle made our hearts race. Did we see the stripes?
टाइगर ट्रैकिंग का तो असली मजा ऐसे ही है, ढूंढते रहो फिर अचानक से मिले. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Explore Life with Shutapa. It's morning 5:30 and we are ready and at the dining hall of the resort. So we will start as soon as our safari vehicle arrives. You stay with us to know what we get the sightings today.
On 14th March 2025, we went on our first safari at Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. This tiger reserve has a very high concentration of tigers and we are here to sight this magnificent creature. We started with our morning safari at Tala Zone. The safari starts at 6 am, so we got ready and headed towards the forest department office. We had our ID checked there and were allocated a guide. We then headed towards the Tala entry gate.
We have now started from the Tala gate and our guide is Bharti ji and we are now starting for our safari.
The resort where we were staying, Nature Heritage Resort, is hardly 5 minutes drive from the Tala gate. I would like to cover about Bandhavgarh, its heritage and the various zone it has in a separate video. In that video, I would also like to cover as how to reach this place from Kolkata, what are the various options of staying and what are the ways of booking the jungle safari. Also, in that video, I would like to cover about our guide Bharti Madam, an extremely knowledgeable guide, not only about mammals but also about birds.
टाइगर के चांसेस ज़्यादा होते हैं, इसलिए हम पहला ट्राई टाइगर के लिए ही करेंगे. एकदम फिर उसके बाद देखते हैं अदर बर्ड. एकदम.
While we were waiting at the gate, we met a bold Indian roller who was busy having its meal. At 6 am, our safari started. Though it was March, it was very cold in the morning. We were rushing to the areas where there has been sighting in the last few days to check on tigers. Though the jungle looked so beautiful, we didn't stop and were rushing for the sight of one majestic creature, the tiger. The early mornings are the time when the tigers move, as the daytime heat is too much for them to move during summers. While we were rushing to the areas, we noticed two elephants, and Bhartiji explained that these two elephants are used by the forest department.
फिर हमारे यहाँ
हाँ
कुछ वाइल्ड एलिफेंट की डेथ हो गई थी,
हाँ
तो उनका बच्चा छूट गया था, तो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट पकड़ के लाके
Rescue
इस माँ को दे दिए, तो वो
अच्छा।
दोनों को पाल रही है, अपने वाले को भी और वाइल्ड वाले को भी। ये जो देख रहे हैं ना बाला टाइप में बना है,
हाँ।
जब कभी भी वाइल्ड एलिफेंट को पकड़ा जाता है तो उसको ट्रेन करते हैं ऐसे पेट्रोलिंग के लिए,
अच्छा।
तो उसको यहाँ रखते हैं अंदर,
ओके,
हाँ, उसकी ताकत को कंट्रोल करने के लिए।
काइंड ऑफ बोमा जो
हाँ।
बोलते हैं।
We first check the area known as Siddha Baba area. This area is called so because there is a temple in this area and there is a tigress known as Siddha Baba female who is often sighted with her current and previous litters. We, however, didn't have any luck. We spotted an Indian gaur in that grassland. We then reached a water body, and do we have a luck here? We searched for tigers. No, there was none in sight. So we rushed to the next area. By this time, the sun was rising beautifully over the horizon. What a sight it was! We reached the other area, and here we saw pug marks. The tiger has crossed this area already, and there was an alarm call from deep inside the forest. We waited in anticipation. What's going to happen?
नहीं, वो दूर से आया अलार्म कॉल, यहाँ से नहीं है।
यहाँ बहुत
हाँ, यहाँ स्पॉटेड डियर है अंदर।
यहाँ तो अंदर स्पॉटेड।
After waiting for a long time, we understood that the tiger or tigress has stopped moving, and hence the alarm call has also stopped. We decided to continue our search as we have waited a fairly long time for the tigress or the tiger to move. And now, since the day heat is rising fast, it is very less chances that the tiger or tigress will make a move as they have already patrolled their area.
उधर बहुत अंदर है।
क्या बर्ड?
हॉर्नबिल था।
हॉर्नबिल था, ओके। वो तो ग्रे ही मिलता है यहाँ पे।
नहीं, मालाबार पाइड हॉर्नबिल।
मालाबार पाइड हॉर्नबिल भी मिलता है।
And now we came across an Indian gaur crossing the road. The early morning rays falling on the gaur and the presence of the safari vehicle made it just magical.
ना, अरे यार।
Indian gaur, a huge animal which is vulnerable according to IUCN criteria. Though our heart was longing for the sight of a tiger or tigress, we couldn't ignore this beautiful sight in the morning rays. After soaking in the beauty of the moment, we continued with our search for the tiger. On hearing alarm call at a place, we stopped to understand if there was any movement. And this is the whole thrill about the tiger tracking. Every moment is spent in the anticipation of tiger sighting and orange and black stripes in the bushes.
टाइगर ट्रैकिंग का तो असली मजा इसी में है।
ढूंढते रहो, फिर अचानक से मिले।
There we spotted two sambar deers.
धूप सेकने आया है
पानी पे जा रहे होंगे।
और पत्थर भी अच्छे Kalima.
We also saw a beautiful peacock moving into the bushes. Bharti ji showed us some tiger scratch marks on the trunk of a tree.
लेकिन यहाँ नीचे से खड़े होके इतना लंबा,
क्योंकि काफी वैसे देखने में तो लगता है कि उतना बड़ा नहीं होगा,
हाँ लेकिन
लेकिन जब दो पैरों पे करके पूरा अपनी बॉडी।
It has been some time that the sun has risen over the horizon, and soon there will be very less chance of sighting a tiger except at the water bodies where they come to cool themselves. We were rushing from one spot to another. However, now we were also stopping for some beautiful moments what the jungle has to offer us, like a spotted deer mother with a cute baby fawn alarmed on seeing us.
it's 8 o'clock now. We have been searching for the tiger or tigress for the past 2 hours now, but till now there is simply no clue. Let's wait.
We also spotted a tiny burst of blue, calm yet captivating, reminding us that every moment in the wild has its own surprise. It tickles blue flycatcher. We were crossing an area where we came across a wonderful and a rare sighting, a red-headed vulture. This bird is critically endangered and found in the Indian subcontinent and parts of Southeast Asia. By spreading its wings, it was basking in the sun. Next, we came across another critically endangered species, the Indian vulture, at the top of a tree. The Indian vulture is otherwise called the long-billed vulture. The Indian vulture is a critically endangered scavenger native to the Indian subcontinent, primarily threatened by the veterinary drug diclofenac. We also came across an area known as Vulture Point, where we saw many vultures. These vultures are very important for the biodiversity of a jungle and maintains a cleaner environment by scavenging the leftover carcass. Here we spotted some slender-billed vulture, which is also a critically endangered species. This vulture had a bare, long neck. We could spot multiple groups of spotted deers. This zone has a very healthy number of them. On the way, we even spotted a baby fawn who was roaming all alone. We again reached a water body and waited here for quite some time in the anticipation of seeing a tiger.
We heard an alarm call and we came to check on this pond, but there was nothing. So we are again going to check on the other areas. It's around 9:30 now.
It was getting very hot. After roaming here and there for the rest of the time in search of stripes, We thought of returning to the gate, and on the way, we saw a golden jackal passing through a grassland. Near the gate, our driver spotted an Indian scaup owl. It was roosting at its home. The jungle was generous. We saw beautiful moments and some really critically endangered species. But the king of the jungle stayed hidden this time. Our first safari ended without a tiger sighting. No luck this time, but honestly, the thrill of the tracking, that feeling stays with you. But those signs, the pug marks, and the alarm calls, they told us one thing, that tiger is here and we are getting close. This is just the beginning of our Bandhavgarh journey. Will we finally see a tiger in our next safari? To know, stay tuned.
We are waiting for more than 30 minutes now. We heard multiple alarm calls. We waited, but nothing happened. The tiger or tigress, we are not sure. It's still inside that area, dense area, and it's making some movement at times, which was spotted. But we are waiting till, let's see what happens next.